Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best magnetic USB-C cable. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, KUULAA. Magnetic charging cable with Type-C USB plug. This USB cable built-in super strong magnet support the connector automatically finds the end of the charging cable. Otherwise this magnetic charging cable with LED indicator, even in the darkness, driving or doing other things easy to connect with one hand. It is ideal to replace your existing charging cable especially in non-easy connection situation. This magnetic USB-C cable has electronic safety certifications which comply with appropriate standards. No need to worry about this USB-C cable quality. Number 4. Brand name, Cafele. 3 ampere maximum current fast charging. High quality copper wire maximizes signal quality and increases durability. Our technology teams make thousands of tests to ensure 100% safety for your device. Super strong magnetic charging adapters, connectors, tips. While it is out of charging, the magnetic connector can be used as anti-dust plug. Do not worry, the moderate magnetic force will not damage the mobile phone components. Cafele charging cable are well made with pretty braided nylon that could protect wire cores. This charging cable are reliable, sturdy and strong, tangle-free and flexible. Data transfer and power charging 2-in-1 to save you much time. Number 3. Brand name, FLOVEME. These USB magnetic charging cable has a strong magnet that can easy to connect with one hand, while driving or doing other things. USB charging cable is made of high-quality nylon braided copper wire, which is anti-winding, scratch-resistant, not easy to break and has excellent heat dissipation performance and long working life. This USB magnetic cable is 360-degree design, 360-degree rotating magnetic head design and 180-degree L shape makes charging more convenient while you are playing phone games. Number 2. Brand name, FONKEN. FONKEN USB charging cable is made of high-quality nylon braided copper wire, which is anti-winding, scratch-resistant, not easy to break and has excellent heat dissipation performance and long working life. Driving safe in utmost standard with strong magnetic suction for an easy one-handed operation while your eyes on the road. Magnetic nylon braided cable with aluminum alloy head good to perform the fast charging speed. Super strong magnetic force and automatic reset. Conveniently locate the tip of the cable while in the dark. Very useful while driving at night. Number 1. Brand name, Essager. It can be used as a dust plug to protect the charging port of the phone and prolong its life. When the magnetic cable is accidentally driven by hand or foot during charging, the magnetic cable is directly separated from the phone terminal, which protects the phone from dropping. The core is made of tin copper, more stable charging, high-density braided wire, no knotting, more strong. It allows you to charge multiple devices compatible with Type-C devices, micro USB and iPhone operating system devices. The magnetic head can be rotated at any angle of 360 degrees, which is more convenient for playing hand games.